We're gonna get some base times on these Rlaarlos that we got in. We're gonna use the stock batteries that come with it. Do each one quick time.
Aren't those two the same?
They're all different. They all have, like, these have different model numbers on the front, so they actually are different cars. They're not just a color option. I don't know the exact differences, but anyway, so we're gonna start with the red one, move our way through. We might do these on 3S. I don't know. Not today. I'd like to have them for a couple days. We just wrecked our 110. Just completely wrecked it. Hopefully I can salvage it. Get a new ESC on it. Get rid of some of the burnt smell.
It smoked so much. I thought the battery, I thought it was going to explode.
Yeah. Well, luckily the battery wasn't what got hot. It was just the ESC and, you know. Oh, did I say that out loud? All right. Is it on? All right, let me reset her. Okay, see if we got a little, this is a stock battery just charged with this base model Rlaarlo Gen 1. Drive a little bit, see if we got some. I gotta see if it's connected. Yeah, beautiful. Okay. So, this is stock. The only thing this has gotten about, oh, it's so quiet. I can't believe that's a brushed. These are brushed. 14001, I think, is their model number. I don't know. It's something. Ooh, moves pretty quick. On a later day, we might try these on 3S, but we had a bad day today already on 3S, so we're just getting bases with the stock stuff. All right, what's this one at? It's not bad. 25.3. That's for the red. We're gonna try each one of these. See where it goes. Be right back with blue. So we're on to Rlaarlo number 2. Gonna do stock, LiPo, and these don't like to go on. Okay. Let me get the GPS on her. Anyways, enough about that. So this was what the red had. Reset it. Let her start her back up. See if we got it. Oop, I gotta put a clip on that. Ha! No, daddy. All right. See if we got it. Yep. Nope. I turned it off. There's only 2 buttons, so they kind of like. Sometimes it works good. Sometimes it acts goofy. Okay, yeah, 1 mile an hour. Okay. Oh, the other one was what, 25? So the hope is that this hits at least 25. Now this is a Gen 2 or an Amoril. It's got a slightly different motor, slightly different ESC, same tire, same chassis, everything else pretty much the same. Different shocks. It seems faster. Doesn't mean it is. Man, it's squirrely. Don't hit me. One more quick pass, Steve, just to make sure we maxed her out. Turn your steering down so it moves slower. All right, oh, that was cool. Let's see what we got. How is this one slower?
Well, I guarantee you if I wasn't turning crazy, it probably would get something.
Well, let's try it again then.
What's the...
So that's steering rate. Turn it down so that it's not as...
Nuts.
Yeah. Throttle rate, we'll turn that all up. We'll get the square. Now we haven't adjusted anything on these.
Well, this
yet.
was for the last car too. We get the same good.
Yeah, this isn't really. Oh, is that better? All right, try and get more than, what was it, 17 or 22? We want to get 25. We want them to all be the same because that'd be nice. But if we find out that Gen 1s are faster, then that means they did something. They changed ESC. Nope, still 22. So out the box, and this is the red one has got more juice. Now it's possible the battery flatten a little bit, not 3 miles an hour. That's a lot. So there's something different. Now it does control pretty good though. All right, we'll be back with dark blue. All right, so we're on the third one. Again, stock battery. Last one was 22, so this one got 22, this one got 25. Hopefully this one gets 25. Now on the track, these seem faster, so maybe it's the punch that's faster, not the overall top speed. Could be they changed the gearing or something like that. I'm gonna turn this one on. It's better if we do that. Thanks. All right. Let's see if we're... Yep, 2 miles an hour. Okay. Now this one I hope is fast. We'll see. These things are way quieter than the WLs.
Why does it do that when I try to turn really
It's a
fast
brake.
back? That's so stupid.
It's a brake. You gotta change the ESC to get it changed. I love these cars though. 25.
There we go.
So
good.
that's better. So this one and the red one have the same speed, 25.3 or 25. The light blue one, for some reason, it's not quite as much punch. Maybe I got a defective one. I don't know. Whatever. So yeah, I can handle that. It's not a bad speed run for the day. You want to play with them a little longer? Looks like it's gonna rain. Look at that weather. So yeah, this is our Martin Road Park. It's our soccer park. Beating the rain, beating the rain. All our speed run rigs.
You used to call all the good ones in the box.